Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Put this hair clip on the hairs. Now divide it into 3 parts and fix it inside the clips like this on the alternative sides. Now fix it from the top and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Roll it upward and fix the hair bun pins on the rubber band like this. Now tie the hairs from the top on the bottom section and fold it down using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, fix this hair clip on the rubber band like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it one by one inside the clips. Put 2 sections of the hairs inside single clip like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can put some another clip as well. Next, we will tie the ponytail and fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Now tie it from the between and fold it upward and fix it like this inside the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail from the sides and then fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the down section into 3 parts and fix them on the alternative sides like this. Now tie the hairs on the top and fold it down and fix it using the bun pin like this. Tie it using the rubber band and fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun clutch on the hairs and fold the hairs using it like this and fix it on the hairs like this on the top by making a bun and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs. Now take small section on the top and roll it and fix it inside the clips in the between. Now fix the hairs on the sides as well. Now divide the hairs, make the plaits and fold them upward and fix it using the hairpins on the alternative sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and tie it using the rubber band. Now fold it upward and fix it from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Fix it upward and then put the hair bun pin like this. Now roll it down and tie it from the between and fix the hairs inside it. Put the clutch over it like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs by folding it upward like this. Now tie it from the top and then roll it down and put the hair bun pins like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it. Now put the hair clutch over it. Tie it and then divide it from the between. Fold it upward and fix it like this. Now tie it again from the top and roll it down and fix it using the bun pin. And your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Roll it upward and fold it to make a bun. Fix it and then put the hair clutch over it like this and fix it tightly and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs using the fingers, roll it upward like this and fix it from the sides using the bun clutch like this and your hair buns will be ready. You can fix it from the between and fix it on the side like this as well. Next, tie the ponytail and then roll the hairs upward using this bun making tool. Fold it from the sides and spread it and put the hair clutch over it and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this and then fix this hair clip on the hairs on the top. After that, divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix them inside the clips one by one. Tie it on the top properly and fold it down like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.